According to recent projections, the state of New York is anticipated to see a shortage of electricity by 2019. With this horizon quickly approaching, the current electricity production, distribution, and usage needs to change if this shortage is to be avoided. The state of New York utilizes an electricity distribution system similar to most of the United States. The power grid is solely about power producers generating electricity in big central plants and grid utilities distributing it to users, supplemented by power purchases on the wholesale market. Because the current system has established players with high costs and large networks, the barrier to entry is extremely high for new entrants, who could implement more efficient and reliable ways of creating and consuming energy. The low number of competitors also allows higher prices due to higher market power. Because of the nature of electricity distribution, distributors operate in their own territory and thus have no direct competitor, lowering the need to initiate new ways of creating energy and distributing it. The state of New York needs to establish distributed system platform operators, or an interface between individual consumers and multiple energy providers. Their operators are responsible for balancing electricity supply and demand on local, lower voltage distribution lines and foster the development of more innovative types of electricity resources, also known as distributed energy resources, or DERs. The operators can do this by creating markets, tariffs, and operational systems to enable new energy businesses to exist and thrive. This provides value to the utility system and thus to all customers. The benefits associated with the proposed change consist of lower electric system costs, increased reliability, improved resiliency, lower environmental impacts, and true performance-based regulation, where the utility's finances are directly tied to quantitative outcomes in each of these categories. In conclusion, to prevent a shortage of energy, New York should consider the option to establish distributed system platform operators. Creating a system that allows for smaller companies to enter the market will create competition and break up the current large oligopoly-like system. This will allow the consumers to choose which source works best for them, making companies focus on their individual productivity and efficiency in order to gain consumers' loyalty and investment. Giving consumers more options regarding energy systems will increase their knowledge of energy production, motivating companies to find the most reliable and productive energy systems, the consumers to be more aware of the energy they are consuming.